Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the uh, blur of background in CapCut PC. So you can select your video or photo you like to edit, and for example I'm going to select photo and go to opaque. You can select blur effect and length, add, can adjust for it, duration and length video with the other clip, and select the clips, right click, create component clip. Go to media and add the same image or the same videos. Okay, and just for it duration. Sorry, is noise. Alright, go to cutout or remove the overlay background. So I go to cutout. We go background is blur, and this applies to videos as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.